welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hello. I'm so glad you clicked on this video. I do hope by the end you'll want to become friends and hit that subscribe button. So today I have the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for April 2022. And it is now $28, I believe, $28.99 or something like that a month. And you get 5 items, but you do get to customize 3 out of those 5 items. So this is the bag. It's actually made of recyclable fabric from what the card says. The card says keep growing. And let's take a look at what we got. Alright, so Kimchi Chic Puff Puff Pass Suntine Bronzage is what this says. Pretty sure it's setting powder. Yeah. Set and bake powder. It's for tan skin, so I ain't gonna be able to use this just yet. But I'll put the price of it on the screen for you. Let's see what else we got. The Pumpkin and Silk from Seraphine Botanicals Luminous Pre-Makeup Base. The Buta Tea Tree and Aloe Mask Scrub. The Bamboo Bronzer by Ciate London. And the Sandbar Mirage Eyeshadow Palette. Okay, so the Sandbar palette looks pretty neat. It is kind of small, but the colors are really pretty. You got some cool tones in here, and you got some really, really nice white gold. I'm not sure I'll use this palette. I kind of want to swatch it, but at the same time, I'm like, I have so many of them, so I'm going to go ahead and put it aside for now. The Pumpkin and Silk Luminous Pre-Makeup Base, I have heard really good things about. I'm going to go ahead and see if it's sealed. It is, which I like. It's also cruelty-free. This actually wasn't a bad bag. I do remember what I chose. I chose the Sandbar palette. I chose the, I guess it was the setting powder. And then this here, the Tea Tree and Aloe Mask Scrub. And that has a safety seal, which I like. So I'm definitely going to use that. Let's go ahead and take a look at the bronzer. I'll try to put close-ups of the products in here for you. This is the packaging. Ciate London has pretty basic packaging, but check out that bronzer. That is super pretty. And it's got a little bit of a sparkle to it. So summer's coming, definitely. So tell me what you guys got down in the comments below. I'll put the total value of this box on the screen for you. And if you have any questions, let me know. I'll do my best to answer them for you. And I'll see you guys real soon in another video.